In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom reports in Zoho CRM. So to create the custom reports, we have got to go to the reports module, click the reports here at the top. If you cannot find here in at the top, just click this ellipsis, then it will show all the rest of the modules. Look for the reports here. So now you're in the reports, click on the create report button, then select your primary module. So this should be where the data of our reports is from. So let's add leads. So click continue. Then then click continue. So if you're going to add related modules to the leads, you can do this by clicking here, the child, then select the modules, or if not, you can use the other parent module to make the leads as the child module. But since we're getting most of the data from the leads, this is enough. So click continue. Then as you can see, we have here five columns based on here. If you want to, if this is not what the data you want, you can just remove them. Then click on this edit column, then select the column that you wish to view. For example, the lead status, lead source, and then the owner. Once you're done, click that button. Then here you have your report. So you can have a filtering in the reports. Just click on the filters section, then edit filter, then select, let's say, example, the lead status will be new. Click save, then only the lead status and new would display. But if you want to display all of the lead status, you can just remove this filter. Yeah. Then in the column section, in the columns tab, you can add row groups. So you can by clicking this pencil icon, you can add the row group. So let's say I want to group them by lead status. There, lead status. Then click done. There, you can see it's now grouped by lead status. You have here 3 on new, 1 on initial, and then 4 on converted, and so on. If you notice, this one is not a lead status. This means that these leads currently don't have a lead status. You can see here. Then if we can also add a column group. So before you can add a column group, you would need a row group. But since you have a row group already, you can just click the edit column group icon. Then I want to group this by the lead owner. If it's done, then let's try running this here. So you can see we have here 2 users, 2 lead owners, and here are the total of leads they have grouped by the status. Now we want to, let's edit this back. Let's rename this report. Then we can select the folders we want. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click this create folder button. If not, you can select any of the folders here. Since I already created a folder, you just click that and then done. Then click on the save button here. If you're already satisfied with this report, you can just click save. Then there. Now let's check that report in the reports module. Let's go to the custom reports here, click on that, then here. As you can see, that's how we created the custom report. What you can do, you can export this report, or send an email to the specific user, or you can clone this report and then add another filter if you want, so on. So yeah, so that's how you create a custom report in Zoho CRM. For this video, I'm going to show you guys how to utilize the pre-built reports in Zoho CRM. So as you all know, Zoho CRM offers ready-made reports that will help you provide sales trends, performance, and then the conversion. So to view those reports, you just need to go to the reports module. Okay. Then under here, you can view these reports here. Some of these are pre-made. The leads report, you can have that here. Then activity reports and so on. So let's try utilizing the deals report. So here you can, let's try using this deal report. So we can check the lost deals here. Let's try looking for much more deals with more data. Here, so you have here the open deals. We can edit this, even though it's already pre-built. We can edit this according to what we like. Then once we're done editing here, you can just click save. Then you can also, cancel that. You can also export this report, this deal report here, or you can do detail report, or you can do that. Once you click export, that file here, you can open that. As you can see, you have exported your deal. You can then send this to the management if you want to print this as a hard copy. Yeah, you can also check the lost deals. If you have lost deals here, you can utilize this. So this helps us identify lost opportunities, and also we can do like leads. We can check for something here. Let's try to these leads here. We can see how many the total of leads, or what are the leads that came in from today. We can check the leads by status here. Then we can see the converted leads. Yeah. Same as the one before, you can export this report, or you can send this to a specific person. Yeah. Then you need to just click send, and then you can also do the export here. Yes. Let's wait for that. Then here, open that, and here you have your reports. Of course, it's not just PDF. You can also export it as a Excel file or a CSV file. Here, here. See that? Check. So that's how you use the Zoho CRM's pre-built reports for your sales analytics. Thank you. Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export reports as well as data from Zoho CRM. So Zoho CRM allows you to export data for like backup, sharing or external analysis, and it can be Excel, CSV, or PDF format. So let's try exporting reports. To export the report, let's go to the reports module. Click on the certain report you want to export. So here, in that report, just click this button right here. Click the export, then select your export type. It can be formatted type, or it can be a detailed type. So the detailed type can have a detailed report and include all rows, while the formatted, you can export it as a PDF or CSV or a Excel file. So if you want, you can have the detailed report, or you can have a formatted report. So let's try using the detailed report and export it as a CSV file. So once that's done, click the export button. Here you see the report has been exported. Click on that report, open it, and here is the exported report. As you can see, these are based on the leads. So that's how you export from reports. Now how about we export data? Let's say we want to export all of our contacts or deals or leads. To do that, we need to go to the setup, click on under data administration, click on export, click the start export button, select the module. You can have a max export of 200,000 records. So select your module. So I want to export all the leads. Okay, you can select all the leads, all the converted leads, or if you want to export all hot leads or other more. So you can either open leads or so on. For now, let's export all leads. If you want to export only specific fields, you can select choose fields, or if you want all of them, you can select all fields. In the all fields, you can also exclude some of them if it's not important to do that, or not. You can just leave it blank, then click export. So there, now your export has been in progress. So if you have multiple record counts, let's say 100,000 plus, this would take a while, but since we only have 35 records in our lead, it is completed faster. So click the download button here. So what you need to do is hover on the export record, then click on the download, and that will download the record. Here you can export file. Just click open that, and you can see here, this is the exported leads. So yeah, so that is how you export a record as well as export the data from the module. Thank you.